In the HHS range, there are grease-based lubricants. This group of lubricants are tough and durable. This is because of the thickness of the lubricant. These lubricants are known for their adhesion and capability to withstand exterior hardships. The grease forms a sealing grease collar against moisture and dirt particles between the opposing parts. This creates a barrier to stop the dirt from contaminating the lubrication. This ensures long-term lubrication. The HHS Lube and HHS Red Lube have OMC2 technology, which allows them to smooth metal surfaces on a microscopic level. This reduces constant wear and substance loss when subjected to friction. HHS Lube and HHS Red Lube are very similar, but there are a few differences. Other than their obvious color difference, HHS Red Lube has a great temperature threshold. This could be the make or break it factor for a specific machine or environment, so it's not just about aesthetics. Or is it? When it comes to HHS grease, this popular grease is preferred for its bright white color. It is clearly recognizable when a part has been lubricated. This is perfect for showing work has been done. And as time passes on, it shows the dirt and contaminants that have been blocked. It also has excellent compatibility with plastic. So even though they all have a common base like grease, they all have different specialties and can fit any tough lubricating need.